Hello, welcome back to my channel Instant Pharmacognosy. Dear friends, as we discussed altogether that we are providing a very peculiar study material that is 100% practically involved, and that is why it is not possible to prepare videos to give you very regularly because it is not a study material chapter wise. So whatever I am getting in the field and finding difficulties in the market to identify the plant material by the quality assurance, that actually I am bringing to you. So the video brought to you only for the peculiar topics. That is why I request you all to kindly subscribe this channel and please on your notification bell button, put in all, so as and when we put the video it may reach to you very frequently. Now you see the screen. Our topic real sugandhabala. Sugandhabala, that is actually in Tamil it is called Chitramutti, Perumutti and so on. However, the sugandhabala in market, as you see in the slide, comes in three names. One is called sida acuta, another is, you see, pavonia, odorata, and third one is the sida cordifolia. Therapeutically, if you see, the value of every material is totally different. However, morphologically, if you not go very keen way, and since the sugandhabala required root, so if they cut the root, how you can identify? Because all plants having taproot only. Some lateral branches also there, and that is why it is very peculiar characters we have to discuss here to distinguish the plant material on dry formed and without any practical way. I tell you here how much in market, that actually I tell you in market itself they are bringing the material. These all are the wild collection, not cultivation. So they are collecting wild, and that is why they are not bringing only root to you. And Ayurveda also supports root as well as whole plant also. Nowadays they are using only whole plants. So if you find how to identify the plant material, simply you see the sida acuta. If you see sida acuta, yellow flower and having like sickle shaped leaves, very peculiar tooth inside, linear, and this in Tamil actually they are telling Arival Mane Pund, because in the seed it looks like the garlic. Arival means sickle, Mane Pund. So the leaf is sickle shaped and this fruit is the like garlic. That is why they are telling like neem leaves. You can see neem leaves like that. You can see in the case of pavonia odorata. If you see, it looks like malvaceous leaves with white color flower, and you see this some rather you can say it's not neither palmate nor cardial, some different leaves like ladies finger leaves. You see pavonia, this is actually big sugandhabala. In Tamil it is called peramutti, and botanically pavonia odorata, but looks very similar. If you see the similar leaves also, you see the leaves in close view, but it is not actually sugandhabala. It is bada sugandhabala. It is called bada, big variety. So sida acuta and pavonia odorata is not a real sugandhabala. Our topic itself is called real. So then what is the real sugandhabala then? The sida cordifolia, as the name indicate, sida cordifolia. Cordi means heart, folia means leaves. If you see, there are little fleshy heart-like shape. The leaves is there with flower, bell-shaped flower. You see, the flower may be some creamish white orange with touching orange color, or sometime it is orange color flower also will get with white tingling. So this is totally different, and you can identify with the help of the leaves only. I here because wild collection plant, how much they separate with the roots. Some leaves they will, like you have on Storelia likewise. So please be careful. Sida acuta, pavonia gelenica, pavonia odorata, and sida cordifolia. For your kind information, these three plants belongs to the single family that is called Malvaceae, and that is why people also having more confusion about that. But my dear friends, sida acuta, as I identified with the help of leaf and flower, and pavonia gelenica or pavonia odorata, that is called bada sugandhabala, whereas sida acuta is so called sugandhabala. The Bada Sugandhabala means in Tamil it is Peramutti, and Sida acuta is not a uh, Peramutti, neither Chitramutti, but it is Arival Mane Pund, that is called Mukku Pachile. Rather, you can say Mukku Pachile. Mukku Pachile. So, leaves sickle shape there. That's so you don't confuse over that. Now you consider your total things over sida cordifolia. This also belongs to Malvaceae family, and my dear, it is real sugandhabala. Tamil it is called Chitramutti. As I told you, leaves have very peculiar cordial shape. Flower creamy, I told, white, sometimes looks like bowl, has more orange light colors. So please be aware over that. I think you are getting correct identification of that material by comparing these plants. Even the plant is dried, the leaves is not deciduous, so always it is attached over the plant, and some leaves will be enough to you to get identified. So be careful while the material is coming to you. Put your attention towards comparison. Sida acuta no be accepted for medicinal properties, and though in Ayurveda these three plants having their different therapeutic resemblances, therapeutic properties. However, if we ask Sugandhabala, what is the real Sugandhabala, then you please accept Sida cordifolia only. This is only recommended and give you very peculiar medicinal properties, and I hope that you will understand about this identification of the plant material. So please be on the channel frequently, visit, subscribe, share also, and we will always try to bring you very good things for you. Thank you.